Okay, so for the last question here, a minimum wage is just a price floor. Suppose the labor market for Thailand is, for demand curve, it is going to be P equal to 2200 minus 50Q, and supply curve is 50Q minus 1800. So using an excess supply equation, which is XS equal to QS minus QD, calculate how much unemployment will there be after imposing the price floor of 300 baht. What will be the unemployment rate, and find the CS, PS, and SW before and after minimum wage. So first we are going to do before the minimum wage. Before minimum wage. Okay, so for the given, so first we are going to start with drawing a graph. Okay, and then we are going to draw a graph with the given informations, which are for demand P equal to 2200 minus 50Q, and for supply it is going to be P equal to 50Q minus 1800. Okay, so as we know the equation, we can find the x-intercept and y-intercepts. X-intercept. Okay, so y-intercept is going to be 2200. Okay, and then x-intercept is going to be as P is 0, so it is going to be 44 and 0. And for the supply, the y-intercept is going to be 0 and negative 1800. But as the question mentioned, that we do not count areas under horizontal axis in producer surplus, so we are going to just cancel it. We are not going to use this. And for the x-intercept, P equals 0, so it is going to be 36 and 0. Okay, so as we have all the information we need, so we can draw a graph. It's going to be P, Q. I'm going to use red color here to draw demand curve. So y-intercept is demand curve is 2200. And 44, we are just drawing briefly, so it's going to be 44 here. So connect these two points, and I'm going to use blue color to draw a supply curve. I'm just going to keep supply curve. So we are using x-axis, so 36, I'll guess it is going to be somewhere here. 36. So supply curve is going to be like this. Supply curve. Okay, and now we can see the equilibrium here, and we want to know what is the equilibrium quantity here and price quantity here. Price equilibrium price here. So as a definition of equilibrium is where the demand curve and supply curve meets. So in order to find this point, we can use these equations, set them equal. So it is going to be 2200 minus 50Q is equal to 50Q minus 1800. So it is going to be 4000 equals to 100Q. So Q is going to be 40. Okay, so Q is 40 here. Okay. So and then price, as we know, the the optimal Q, we can put one of the equation. P equals to 2200 minus 50 times 40. So it is going to be 200, right? It's 200. So P prime is going to be 200 here. Okay, so now we can find the CS and the PS and SW for before the minimum wage. So I'm going to use yellow color here to represent the CS. And purple for PS. Okay, so we can use the areas of triangle, and this is called trapezoid, to find the area of CS, PS, and SW, which is sum of CS and PS. Okay, so CS is going to be, it is, as you can see, it's triangle, so it is going to be 1/2 times height, which is 200 to 2200, so it is going to be 2000 times base, which is 40. Okay. So CS, it is going to be 40,000. Okay, and then for PS, we're going to use the area. Okay, so the formula is 1/2 times the two bases here, so it is going to be sum of two bases, 36 plus 40 here, 40, and times the height, 200. Okay, so it is going to be 1/2 times 76 times 200, which is 7,600. So SW, which is CS plus PS, is going to be 40,000 plus 7,600. So it is going to be 47,600.